assignment circle 4. First question. Read the question carefully. What values can the variable parameter, a variable or parameter a take so that a minus 1 comma a plus 1 lies inside the first circle but outside the second circle? That is the question. Inside the first circle, outside the second circle. So, to solve this question, first one. The point is given as a minus 1 comma a plus 1. Circle S1 circle is given as x square plus y square minus 12x plus 12y minus 16. X square plus y square minus 12x plus 12y minus 62 equals 0. S1. The circle S2 is equals to x square plus y square equal to 8. Now we need to find the values of the parameter a for which this point, given point, lies inside the circle S1 but outside the circle S2. So, with respect to first circle, the point must lie inside. That is, S11 is less than 0 or not. With respect to S1, first circle. So, S1 is less than 0. Just you put a minus 1 whole square plus a plus 1 whole square minus 12 into a minus 1 plus 12 into a plus 1 minus 62 must be less than 0. First, we will solve this one. So, if you solve it, this is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. 2 into a square plus b square minus 12a plus 12 plus 12a plus 12 minus 62 is less than 0. So this is 2a square plus 2. Here plus 12a minus 12a cancel. This is 12 plus 12. We will write 12 plus 12, 24 minus 62 is less than 0. That implies 2a square. Tell me. Is minus 36. 0. Therefore, 2 into a square minus 18 is less than 0. That implies 2 we can remove, anyway is positive. Therefore, a square minus 18 is less than 0. That implies a square minus, how can you write this as 3 root 2 whole square or not? 18. 3 root 2 whole square is 18. Now, this is a plus 3 root 2 into a minus 3 root 2 is less than 0. So, here negative is there. A plus 3 root 2 into a minus 3 root 2 is negative. Inside, in between the roots. That is, a belongs to minus 3 root 2 comma 3 root 2 open interval. This is the first solution. These are the values of a for which the point lies inside the first circle. But another condition is given. At the same time, the point must lie outside the second circle. So, with respect to the second circle, S11 is greater than 0. With respect to S2, second circle. So, S11 is greater than 0. Therefore, x square plus y square equal to 8 or x square plus y square minus 8 equal to 0. That implies S11 is greater than 0. That implies a minus 1 whole square plus a plus 1 whole square minus 8 must be greater than 0. Therefore, this is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, 2a square plus b square minus 8 is less than 0. Therefore, 2a square plus 2 minus 8 is greater than 0. That is 2a square minus 6 is greater than 0. 2 into a square minus 3 is greater than 0. 2 is anyways positive. Therefore, this can be written as a square minus root 3 square is greater than 0. Therefore, a plus root 3 into a minus root 3 is greater than 0. Clear? A plus root 3 into a minus root 3 is greater. Again, here outside the roots, because a plus root 3 into a minus root 3 positive is there. Therefore, A belongs to outside the root. Therefore, minus infinity to minus root 3 open, union, root 3 to infinity. This is the second one. But these two conditions at the same time means the point must lie
Intersection.
inside the first circle and outside the second circle. That's why one intersection. Our answer is 1 intersection 2. So, if you put these two solutions on the number line, then what you can tell me here? Minus, this minus root 3 and root 3. Here, first what I will write minus root 3 over here and root 3. Now tell me, next numbers are what? 3 root 2. 3 root 2 is greater than root 3 or less than root 3. Anyways, here it will be here 3 root 3, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
root 3 is some 1 point something. Next, minus 3 root 2. Minus 3 root 2 is less than this root 3. Minus 3 root 2. Now, first solution is what? A belongs to minus 3 root 2 to 3 root 2. Minus 3 root 2 to 2 root 3 root 2. Yeah. So this is the solution. Sir. Next, second one is what? A belongs to minus infinity to minus root 3. Therefore, this side, and root 3 to infinity this side. So our common values, intersection values are what? Okay. Therefore, A belongs to. Therefore, final answer is what? Therefore, answer is A belongs to minus 3 root 2 open to minus root 3. Yes or no? Union root 3 to 3 root. Okay. Na? So this is the final answer.